Viral news JA. On the forward the man, like and share, like and share, like and share. Coming up, people, we're gonna talk about the incident that took place down at Lovely where a big woman lose her 3 pints brawling. Also, we're gonna talk about a taxi man. You know, we get drop out and dash straight down a Bulby. Also, veteran broadcaster Daniel Thompson passed away. RIP to his loved ones. Now we're going to talk about that incident in which a 50-year-old woman was sadly, she meet her demise. Down a Lovely and my viewers and subscribers. And the looks of things, it no look nice. She get couple bore up. And she succumb to her injuries at the hospital, my viewers and my subscribers. Now, my peeps, we know downtown set away, We know we have some atted people down there, so, but there's a video circulated on social media. You can find that video on Caribbean Loop, on various sites on Instagram and all over the place. Now, my viewers and subscribers, that video is very touching. Now, it seems as if this lady and this man catch up. But, when a man have woman strength, my viewers, a man have woman strength. So a man decides, you know what, I'm going to take it out upon that woman here. Now, the greatest thing about this, even though she gone sleep, he was sent to sleep also. The police was basically alerted. And you know what, for that people, he's no longer here with us. Yeah, I saw it go. Because, brother, may I tell someone, man, this. Dog, you both up the woman all because of a little argument, brother. Why in the ghetto we always have some incident when a call for. This just not call for. You and the woman exchange word, you go over there, you shubar, and then now it continue. You run up on her and do what you do. And all these things, my viewers and subs. Jano. Now, this is what the news put out. 50-year-old Catherine Wallace was this morning, Jano, at 6:15 Wednesday along Lovely in downtown Kingston. The fatal incident was captured on video and unfolded in full view of others who attempt to protect the now deceased woman. Now, as I said before, people, there is video circulated on social media, so it can't be none of uno. As I say, Radam or Caribbean Loop. But, my viewers, in the video also again too, you can clearly see the people them that tell the man for calm down. Them did attempts to leave the woman alone and all kind of things. But you know some man with them ego, man I feel like say me a man and me now make a woman give me tough chatter. I don't know if I told them of things or what my viewers, but it just escalates so rapidly. I swear, youth. Be careful out there, wanna do. Yeah, man, be careful, wanna do. The streets hot. The streets not normal. And the youths nowadays now, them will lose them 3 pints so quickly over different incident or different reasoning. Now, this could have easily prevented if the man did hear. Sometimes and things like the devil are talking and say, go do something, car. Girl, give me tough chat and I'm in the panda. But the woman, a big woman, 50-year-old woman. We all know some woman come that age and thing more time, they're miserable and all kind of things. But no matter what, brother, this never call for. And see it there, you're gonna sleep too. I saw it go. John, it's sad. RIP to that lady. She not deserve this. She not deserve this, my viewers and subscribers. Whether people want to say she wrong, yes or no, but man, fi be man. If you're a man in a things, you're a man in a things. You know, go for the woman, brother. You try the, So now, my peeps, we're going to talk about a taxi man who met his demise. You see me? Yes, so basically, This taxi man is from Waterford. And them find him a bull beer. You see me? Sad. So the news goes like this: a taxi operator from Waterford, St. Catherine. So he's from Waterford, St. Catherine. Identified as Adrian Powell, otherwise known as Curry, was in pick up some con people. Yeah. By unknown assailant last night in the Bull Bay area of St. Andrew, my viewers. So just imagine this, you know. You live a Waterford and you're gone a Bull Bay. It could be in a link in bridging them, could be in a link or one catty. It could be them him go have a drink out or something, or him go buy some food, this kind of things, or him go, you know what I say? Right now, I'm telling you already, people, the streets not safe. The streets not safe, none at all. Yeah, the streets not alright. We have to know one of the youths and youths. We have to wise up. We have to make sure so you don't try that thin line and about the foolish and thing, because this is Jamaica, you know. And I play a thing this, you know. You have man out there hungry, you know. Man out there hungry right about now. And guess what again too? Man and man have them differences. It can be a situation in which him have some probably somebody have something from way back when. Him could have owe somebody money. You see me? And then finally catch him over the sucker. You see, in a life, you have to know what you do. Karma reach you. And some people feel like say the country big, the country small. You leave from certain parishes and go elsewhere. You're surprised who you see. You're surprised how people who you never expect to see you see. You see me? And the man go over there probably think say nothing gonna happen to him as usual. Cause you know we typical Jamaican things say, boy, we can go this a place and nothing gonna happen to me. Think twice. He meet him demise over there, so sad. But I just saw life go, yo, you have to just know what you do. Him be at the wrong place at the wrong time. You know, typical Jamaican say, he did the wrong place at the wrong time. If he did it in your Waterford area and thing, probably that be a different situation. You see me? But, you know, the thing set away. Now, we are going to talk about this sad news again, my viewers and subscribers. Where popular broadcaster or veteran, if you want to call him veteran, call him popular, Daniel Thompson passed away. You see me? So it's very, very sad. Now, as you notice, TVJ is a part of the Gleaner, RJR, and some different TVJ News Network and some other channels are, you know, stations joined together as one. You see me? Now, this is what the Gleaner put out. Radio Jamaica regret to announce the death of colleague broadcaster Daniel Thompson. Daniel Thompson served RGR for 28 years, working across every time slots on the station. He also had his own show on Radio Jamaica. He most recently assigned was providing continually on the station calling program Hotline. He was also well known for the X and Y feature alongside Emily Shield. Daniel was also one of Radio Jamaica news readers. Now, as you can hear from the story, the brother is a veteran. Him great. Enough things him do for support the nation. So RIP to him family. It's sad. You know, my second, you know, so that is a must once we live. But the thing just set away right now. Oh, you know, them veteran here have a pass on, and then, you know, RGR will never be the same. TVJ and surrounding station will never be the same again. When you see them veteran drop out of the thing, and we wonder to ourselves, so what is going on here? But the man lived enough life. He spent a lot of time on the station and, you know, help setting the foundation for younger persons. So, RIP, brother. You know, God bless you.